Hi dears, observe this question. GATE 2024 A, right? According to the given information, the pie chart presents the percentage of contribution of different micronutrients to typically 2000 kilocalories diet of a person, right? So this is a story of what micronutrients. Okay, and of course we'll have 2000 kilocalorie usage for a human body. This is the basic concept, right? Okay, if I go for saturated fat, it is 20% worth of what 2000 kilocalories, right? Every percentage value should be calculated on what 2000 kilocalories. Whatever this one, it can be micronutrients percentage value. What is the total worth we have? 2000 kilocalories. This is the basic given information, right? But actually, what is the question is asking? Typically, what we need to find actually, the density of micronutrients will be kilocalorie per gram. Will be below different values. If I go for carbohydrates, according to given box, that is what density. Density of what? Density of kilocalories per gram. Per gram usage we have for the human body, right? If I go for carbohydrates can be 4 kilocalories per gram, 4 kilocalories per gram. If I go for individual values, if I go for proteins will be same 4 kilocalories per gram. This is the usual value. Okay, actually individually we have percentage value, but this percentage value should be calculated in what 2000 kilocalories. But if I go for individual values, if I convert into grams, carbohydrates will be 4 kilocalories per gram. Here we will have 4 kilocalories per gram. Whatever the remaining can be go for the individual values. It can be what? Trans fat will be 9. It will be 9. All are 9 only. 9. It is also 9, right? The remaining 3 factors can be what? Fat level, saturated fat, trans fat, and as well as unsaturated fat. These are the basic values here. But what is the question is asking? So what we need to find actually? So we need to find the kilocalorie worth in grams from where? All three means what are those? Only fat levels: trans fat, saturated fat, unsaturated fat. So these are the values we need to convert into grams, kilocalories per grams. Okay, if I choose trans fat, what is trans fat worth? 5%. 5% worth on what? We need to calculate 2000 kilocalories, right? If I go for general way, don't confuse. If I go for a general way, what is 5% worth of 2000 kilocalories? 5% worth can be, so according to your own mindset, 5% worth can be what? 5% of 2000 can be 5% of 1000. I need to go for only fat level. Okay, I don't want complete values. First of all, we need to convert into kilocalorie energy according to percentage, right? Okay, I can go for first fat. Fat number 1, trans fat, right? Trans fat can be what? 5% worth. 5% worth of what? 2000 kilocalories. Good. Then what about next one? Saturated fat. It can be 20% worth of same 2000 kilocalories. For your comfort only, general story. Okay, nice. Then what about next one? Unsaturated fat. It can be 20% worth on what? Same 2000. This is the basic given information. So if I go for individual calculation, it can be what? 5% worth of 2000, and we need to go for one more condition. What is the condition? Here we need to convert these 3 values into grams. Yes or no? If I go for the individual kilocalorie values out of 2000, don't confuse, very easy. 5% out of 2000 can be what? 5 to 100 grams, not 100 kilocalories. 100 kilocalories. Then what about this one? It can be 400. Yes, it is also same 400 kilocalories. But if you observe it individually, if I choose trans fat, according to the given information, 9 kilocalories per gram, right? Per gram, 9 kilocalories. We need to understand one basic point. If you have 9 kilocalories, it will be 1 gram usage. According to grams, it is kilocalorie worth. The density will be 9 kilocalories per gram. It's clearly showing that. And how many calories we have? 100 kilocalories, right? That should be converted into grams. So we have comparison. What is the comparison? If you go for fat value, for this one, 9 kilocalories, 1 gram worth will be there. Yes, sir. The same way, 100 kilocalories worth can be what? This is for trans fat. In the same way, we need to go for next one also. This is a basic concept. Okay, then what about second one? Same. It is also below 9 kilocalories per 1 gram. But we need to go for 400 kilocalories. It can be converted into grams. First one and second one. Then what about that one? It is also same. 9 kilocalories 1 gram worth. If I have 400 kilocalories, how much? This is first story. Don't confuse. This will be second story and this will be third story. So we need to add all of them. We need to find the sum, right? We need to convert these kilocalories values into grams. Nothing is there. Yes, 100 kilocalories. You want comparison. What is the comparison we have? 9 kilocalories, 1 gram worth. If you convert it to grams. The same way, 400 kilocalories, we need to convert it to grams. Same. 9 calories, 1 gram, 400 calories, how much? After getting all these three, we need to add all of them. That's it. So the final step will be what? For your comfort only, need not to cancel. Okay, fine. 100 cross multiply. 100 into 1. 100 by denominator part 9. That is what? Trans fat. Plus second one can be what? 400 by 9. Third one can be same 400 by 9. So right, this is the value we need to find. Whenever your denominator common, directly we can go for a single variable, single denominator part. 100 plus 400 plus 400, total can be 900 by 9. So 900 by 9 is nothing but 100 grams. This can be our answer. The best option is what? Third, C option. So this is the basic idea here, right? Is there any confusion? I think there is no confusion. Trans fat, next one is what? Saturated fat, next one unsaturated fat. We need to go for only fat levels. After getting the original worth in kilocalories, we need to convert into grams. So we need to find the sum of our fat values in grams. That is a basic given information. So of course very easy, right? So this is the basic idea. I think if you don't have any idea, any confusion, then what about the logical approach? It is only for kids. Then what about you? So directly you can analyze it. Why? Because if you observe the fat values, 9 kilocalories 1 gram. Here also 9 kilocalories 1 gram. Here also same value, 9 kilocalories 1 gram. So whenever you have common value, directly your perception should be like this. Observe it clearly, don't confuse. Don't do like this. It is only for your comfort. Okay? The direct step. Every percentage of these three values should be calculated on 2000 calories only, right? Yes or no? That's why we have common base. Whenever we have common base, observe it properly. Common base is there for all three fat levels. The same way, common kilocalorie worth also is there. To get 1 gram worth, 9 kilocalories. Here also 9. Here also 9. 9 will be the common part. That's why directly what you can take? 5 plus 20 plus 20. 45% worth of what? 2000 kilocalories, right? Direct step. Don't confuse me. 45, right? 20, 25. 45% worth of 2000 kilocalories can be the total value of 3 altogether. Yes or no? Yes. But it is what? The total worth. But I need to go for the conversion, right? If of course after getting this one, 0 is gone. 45 twos are. 45 twos can be 900 grams. Okay, 900 grams, not grams, 900 kilocalories worth. That should be converted into grams. That's it. Yes, we'll have same comparison for all. That's why it's clearly showing that for 9 grams, don't confuse me, for 9 kilocalories, 1 gram worth. For 900 kilocalories, how many grams? Single step story. Don't confuse, come again. What is 45%? Every percentage worth should be calculated in what? 2000 calories only. That's why I can add directly. After getting all the sum of fat levels in percentage, that is what? 45%. After getting 45%, that is what? 900 grams, 900 kilocalories. But we'll have a comparison. What is that? For individual values, we'll have 9 kilocalories, 9. All are same. That's why for every 9 kilocalorie worth, it should be 1 gram, right? That's why there is a comparison. 9 kilocalories, 1 gram. 900 kilocalories. How many grams? Answer can be what? 100 grams. So make it simple. Okay? It is only for basic level students, but if you go for direct step, it can be very easy to calculate, right? So need not to utilize our calci also. Of course, calci is allowed. So what? We don't want the calci. That's my perception, right? Okay. Anyway, better to practice this one. Once I am telling you all, our target is what? Our target is 30 marks. 2025 GATE exam, 30 marks. Okay, better to go for the basic level videos. Okay, we have launched engineering mathematics topic wise basic level videos. Better to watch all those videos. After that, you can go for general aptitude also. Okay. Give the first priority to engineering mathematics. After that, we can go for quantitative aptitude. I mean, general aptitude. Why? Because general aptitude is our previous story, right? That's why we need to concentrate on the original word. What is that? Engineering mathematics. 13 marks. Don't lose. So 13 plus 16, of course. Finally, we can get 30 marks. What is our target? 30 marks from 2025 GATE. So better to subscribe our channel and share to your friends also.